Welcome to another stream. I forgot to click record. So you guys got 5 seconds that YouTube doesn't get. HackerSafe, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Marsha, good to see you. Hello, hello. It's Monday the 29th of March. And we are back for another stream. It's auto update day, so we're going to check that out first. And then I'm going to try and drop old pythons in flake8. So we'll see what's up with that. Mostly should be a lot of burning Python 2 bridges and fighting with type checkers, and I don't know. We'll see. It should be fun. We'll get to run PyUpgrade and clean up some code there. But anyway, how y'all doing today? Let me say hi to everyone. Oh my goodness, you guys are chatty today. So much chat today. Marsha was first. JV Pratt is here. Good to see you both. Knack Lyric's here as well. Hello, hello. Good to see you, Knack Lyric. Welcome back. Juicebox Hero says first, but was not first. But you're first in our hearts, Juicebox Hero. Fixfu, or is it Flixfu? It's Flixfu. Flixfu, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Could tell Anthbonk was live because my dick sword got quiet. Yeah, that'll happen. There's no Anthony announcement in your server. Where's the shoutouts? That's funny. Corpus C says, is that blue button the any key? It is not. It is a fidget toy. If you do bang blue thing, you can find out more about the fidget toy. But yes, it is just a spinny fidget toy. Mr. Karaman. Mr. Karaman! Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Sorry if I mispronounced your name. It's good to have you. Catherine's here. Hello, hello, Catherine. Walker Codes says, end day and straight to Anthony's stream. Well, welcome, Walker Codes. I mean, yeah, same for me. Walked from the living room to the bedroom, pressed start stream, and we're here. It's true. Marsha says, did you see all the different heckin' ways that people pronounce Fisk? Yeah, pronounce FSCK, FSCheck, FizzCheck, FSEC, Fisk, Fishcake, Physic, FSIC, FSOC, FSEC, Feshk, the sibilant Fisk, Fix, Farksk, Fusk, Fishcake. Yeah, I don't know where Fishcake comes from, but anyway, cool. You got me to say them all. If that was your goal, you have succeeded. All right. So today should be a lighter auto update day than usual because there weren't a lot of major package updates, so we should see. I mean, this graph should be the same. The run graph should be less severe. Where's the button? What am I looking for? Monitoring. Why do they move it all around? It used to be up here. Now it's down here. I don't know what's up with that. Okay, but if we go to 12 hours, we should see our shark spike. Our 1200 NQ'd. And oh, weird. Yeah, with the 12... This is more NQ'd than last week, but it finished faster than last week. It finished in 40 minutes. Weird. I don't know what's up with that, but probably just variability in the internet and GitHub API. Maybe the GitHub API got faster. Maybe that's what it did. I think I say every letter. I see. Okay, but yeah, that's not the interesting queue. The interesting queue is this one. Let us see how this one did over the last 12 hours. Oh, you can still see an auto-update spike here. This actually looks almost as bad as the week before. Let's see. It should be from 1600 to 1700. Okay, so this is when auto-update ends. Okay, so we still see a bit of a bump here. Now note some of these are behind other runs, so it's not entirely bad, but you know, only 30 messages behind is pretty good. And it triggered scale up here. So it took it 20 minutes to get to needing scale up. That's actually pretty decent. And then it got under the scale up threshold within 10 minutes. Wow. Took a long time to catch up. Anyway, this actually looks pretty fine. The worst one was 10 minutes behind, which it's not user branches, so it's not a huge deal, but still could be better. I don't know why my EC2 instances are not scaling as fast as I want them to. Let's actually look at that and see what we had there. Auto scaling groups. We did adjust the something last week. What did we change? We changed the scale cooldown to be 20 seconds instead of 50 or something like that. See what happened with our scaling here. Yeah, it scaled down before auto update finished, and then it had to scale up again one more just to solve the rest of it. That's probably fine. This scale up is slow though. Why did it take so many minutes to do this? 1, 2, 3. It took 4 minutes to change the desired capacity. So there's something wrong here. I don't quite know what though. Mini Jerk, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Coder, hello, hello. Marsha says, I have a math and logic question, and Belnothis isn't around to ask. Oh, is Belnothis your math and logic person? I see. Mindful Fox is here. Hello, hello. Good to see you. How you doing? How's your Monday evening? But yeah, I guess I don't know. I don't know why this isn't scaling faster. No SQL know-how. Hello, hello. Good to see you. Mondays suck? Yeah. Right? Tell me about it. I'm exhausted. I did not get enough sleep last night. And the construction started an hour earlier today than they're supposed to according to noise ordinances. But I was too, like, groggy sleepy to go grab my phone and be like, and call the police and deal with that and be like, they're an hour early and I want my sleep back. But if it happens tomorrow, I'll do it tomorrow. But exhausting. But anyway, this looks fine. I did want to look at a couple other things just because I haven't looked at these stats in a while. I want to see what our total run count is up to and how much how big this table is. Also, I want to see how many reads and writes I'm doing against this table, because I switched one of the tables to on-demand because it's bursty, and I'm hoping... Well, does it actually show here? No. It doesn't. I don't know. I can see it in the billing thing, though. But what I want to look at is runs, and we're approaching 40,000 runs. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I don't know how to solve P implies P implies P. Am I supposed to put in parens and turn it into... I think so? Oh, I don't remember the binding affinity for implication. I think it's left to right, I assume. I would have... So the way I would have done that is P implies P. But maybe I'm wrong. Where's Tofu? Tofu will be here tomorrow, I think. I think tomorrow is when we see Tofu. Discord JS developer has set the MOTD to Marsha's message. Oh, is that how you S expression that went out? I guess I would have gotten it wrong. It's also possible that they resolved to the same thing. Because it's not P or the other thing. Be it not P or... Not P or... Not P or... P? Which I think is just... Oh wait, it would be not P or... Yeah, not P or P. So, and that's commutative, so it doesn't matter. I think you can fold it either way. Because they resolve to the same thing if you fold it with parens. 90% of the time, you aren't going to use math higher than algebra. Yeah, I guess. Tomorrow will be there, tomorrow through Monday, 4-5. Wow. I'm gonna have Tofu for so long. I'm gonna have Pupper forever. Okay, so what I want to do today involves the flake8. Get pull prune. We are going to be dropping Python 2 in 3.4 and 3.5 and probably 3.6.0 as well. Before I do this though, I want to make sure that there aren't any outstanding pull requests that I need to merge first. Because they're all gonna conflict after this. This one is just going to go away because this is Python 2. Shush. I have my phone on loud volume because I'm on like a 593 commits behind. Yeah, there's no way this merges cleanly. I have my phone on loud volume because I want to get a vaccine and I'm on a wait list that has a 15-minute SLA for a response. If I don't respond within 15 minutes, they pass me up. So I'm like more on call than I've ever been on call in my entire life. So it's a bit much. God, I hate GitLab. Why are you off? God damn it. Fuck. Pretty sure this tab has issues, but it's just off screen. Fuck you, stupid ass GitLab. Oh, God damn it. Oh, I should ping Ian. See if he would be opposed to me moving to GitHub. Because I'm sick of GitLab. Would you be opposed to moving GitLab to GitHub or flake8? It's getting to the point where GitLab is affecting the developer workflow, especially with their new CI restrictions. And their UI is a disaster. We'll see what Ian says. Oh my god, behind the chat already. Tofu will forget her mother. Yes, now I will be the one who birthed her tofu. Or juice. God, I called you tofu again. Oh, I keep doing that. Son of a bitch. Captain says got my first shot today. Nice. I feel like crap now. Well, at least you got a shot. I'd rather feel like crap and have a shot, to be honest. Yes, there are two well, there's actually, I mean, there's two half keyboards and another keyboard on screen. So you got the two half keyboards, and then this is technically a keyboard as well. And we could even get another keyboard in here. Just the little baviest keyboard you've ever seen onto the fray with the ASMR clicky things. But yeah, it is a split keyboard. Those who know how it says, I got my first shot last Saturday, still have a headache, but the fatigue is clearing up. Nice! Nice, nice. Had a bad headache, lugs were burning earlier. Huh. I wonder, so what I've heard, and I don't know that this has actually been confirmed by medical science or not, what I've heard is that people who react poorly to the vaccine may have had exposure to the actual virus, and that is why their body is reacting so violently. This is also why a lot of people have really violent reactions to this second dose. But again, not necessarily fact. This is what I've heard. I have not confirmed this with a medical paper. This is conjecture I've read on the internet. Hey, what's up, Grandpa's iPad? Hello, hello. Good to see you. Python Dev says Python. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Oh, I forgot to do that today. Dang it. So today it is EDC precommit.cr auto update day, and we are dropping Python 2 in flake8. Flake8. There we go. Set today. We have updated the message. Perfect. Fixed. He is good now. Bang title, yeah, it's the title instead. Yeah, I fucked up the bang today. Well, I just forgot to set it. It's all good. Kind of makes me not want to get the vaccine. No, get the vaccine, Marsha. It's important. Dr. Anthony says, yeah, exactly. 200% factual. Kevin says, I always thought if I got COVID, I'd be asymptomatic, so surprised to have symptoms. The lung thing is not that bad, but bad enough to irritate me. Yeah. Sounds like you might have had it. Should never believe everything Google says. Anyone can start a myth that isn't true. It's true, it's true. Is that an axe in the title? Yes, there is an axe, because we're chopping away the Python 2. This channel was made for me. I see. Python Dev 1. Was Python Dev 0 taken? I remember that time when Anthony thought he had COVID. Good times. I'm pretty sure I did. We'll find out when I get my shot. Or we'll see how I react when I get my shot, I guess. Not that that's confirmation in any way. But, in a myth stating Elon Musk sold dog food back when he was 14. I mean, he sold emeralds. Because his family's fucking rich. If you're scared, just get the Johnson & Johnson one. It has less side effects than it is a traditional vaccine. Oh. I see. Interesting. Okay, but yeah, did I ever open up the issues tab? I did. 690, that is the one that I want to reference. We're dropping Python 2, so this is not necessary anymore. 690. Close. Okay, what else we gotta close here? Lint Python files with a shebang. Do not merge. I agree on the do not merge here. Oh, I think I showed that it was like way slower. And then not fixed. Okay, so not gonna merge that one. Proof documentation on per file ignores. Extreme scared quotes around improve. If this conflicts, I'm just gonna close it. Does it conflict? I don't know. Where does GitHub put the thing? GitLab put the thing? Well, patch this. I don't think they're ever gonna come back to this. I'm just gonna close it. Close. They want to reopen it, by all means. Add release notes URL to the project. Yeah. I'm just gonna let that one fester. Commit an error when entry points are duplicated. I don't think we ever got to a happy result here. So I'm just gonna ignore that one. Delete an extremely expensive log call. Yeah, this person. This person who is, for some reason, very, very adamant about using inflammatory language wherever possible. We're gonna ignore that one. Add extend select. Well, I do want to merge this, but I also don't want to merge this, so we're just gonna leave that alone for now. Alright, so now we're gonna do the fun part. The real fun part. No sequel, no house size. I got the Moderna shot. Still worth it considering what I planned for the summer. Nice, nice. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, the mRNA vaccines are pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty neat. Oh, go on a cruise. Nice. Cool. Hiking, kayaks, exploring. That sounds fun. That sounds fun. Alright, so I'm gonna start with just adding PyUpgrade to this repository and just running it and seeing what happens. github.com/a/PyUpgrade. So we're just gonna run the Python 2 compatible version first. This is going to be I think 2.1.0 is the latest version. Hooks, ID, PyUpgrade. I know that we can't upgrade MyPy in this repository because we're depending on a bug in MyPy. That's not what I want. /PyUpgrade. So I'm not just doing a blanket auto update here. 2.11. Okay, I had some of the numbers right. Recommit run PyUpgrade all files. Okay, so that should do a lot of changes here. A lot of hopefully good changes. And let's see if we run this again. Is it fine? And what if we run all files, and then we'll, of course, black's gonna change things slightly, as it does. What have you attached there, Juice? What do you got here? The juice be sad. Man, I don't understand what flake8 does, or not flake8, what black does sometimes. That's fine. Check out origin master -b pi2, go bye. pi3 plus, sure. Let's make sure that the tests still pass. And they should still pass in Python 2 right now, in theory. Marsha wants that to be my new emote. Oh, I see. Pi2 bye was good? Yeah. I think Pi3 plus is more explicit. Okay. Introduce Pi upgrade, run it in Python 2 compatible mode. Alright, so now we're going to do it in Python 3.6 plus compatible mode. Args. Well, actually, before we do that, let's do the manual changes that get rid of stuff. So we gotta go through all the things that say Python 2 and 3.5 and get rid of them. Let's just be able to get rid of mock. And we should be able to get rid of this, because now you can use devenv. And we should be able to get rid of this, because we're Python 3 only. God, this is in here quite a lot. Hey, what's up? Hi, Aunt Benny Kinarak. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Drives forward Python 2. Yes, it's finally happening, Ethan Typing. It is finally happening. My birth name was Jade. Actually, my dad pulled a fast one when my mom was recovering. I made my Chinese name my first name. I fixed it when I was adult. Oh, interesting, Juice. I did not recall that. Can't wait until MyPy can do the same. Yeah. 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 Hey, what did I say? What did I say, Marsha? What did I say? What did I say? What are you talking about? Okay. This should be fine. Ignore some still some. Oh. Yeah, I can probably update that at some point. I can probably update the rest of this shit too. But we will leave that alone for now. Okay, so that seems fine. 2 and 3.5, and I should really use the thing that just auto does this. Don't need this anymore or that. Nice. We're just down to one external dependency. Yeah, Mindful Fox is back, Knackle Eric. Indeed, indeed. From vacation. Anything else we need to clean up in here? Did the classifiers. We did the Python requires, which I think I might change because of 360. Yeah, I'll leave that for now. Get rid of the Python 2 and Python 3.5. Yes. Okay. User invocations. Why 2.7? Dun, 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 dun. 3.6, 3.7. Maybe I should pick older versions. That way I have to update this less frequently. We'll do 3.8 and 3.9. I hate when these are in the docs, because then you have to do fucky doc stuff forever. I think it will not install into both Python 3.8 and 3.9. It will only install for blah blah blah. Yes. Okay. See, this would be better. Then I don't have to update it. Blah blah blah. There's no way this is up to date. See something like, okay, so it's still fine. Source flake8 plugins manager 2.7. 2.7 additionally gives duplicate results. I wrote this comment. I wonder if we can remove that. I'm gonna leave it for now. I am going to leave it for now. Hey, what's up, Bagel PT? Hello, hello. Does PyUpgrade convert Python 2 syntax to Python 3 syntax? Yes, in a way. PyUpgrade takes Python 2 compatible syntax and burns the bridges with Python 2, essentially. The other server says matplotlib dropped 3.6 this week. More signals to move on, but 1804 sad face. Well, 1804 end of life's in a month, so Xenial had a good run. Xenial had a good run. But yeah. Also, good to see you, the other server. How you doing? How you doing? Let's see. Get end issue. Some manual metadata. And then to metadata cleanup. And then we're gonna do the Big Bang. Oh. Yeah, this is right. We're gonna do the Big Bang, Python 3 plus, Python 6 plus args, Python 6 plus, run PyUpgrade all files, and it did a lot. Let's see what happens if we run it again. Did nothing the second time, that's good. Let's see some of the changes that got made. Ah, yes, the Unicode literals. And the coding comments. And object. Oh, look at this! Sarcastic Dante's code making an appearance here. Ooh, we can get rid of that from compat. We'll do that manually after. Some sick F strings right here. Look at this. Look at this beautiful code. Yeah, F strings also good. MXR's change right here. The super change. Nice, 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 nice. Black will probably fix this line. Bye-bye print function. F strings. Nice, nice. Typed process. Oh, I'm gonna delete the Git support too. And the Cider Tools support. Because it's flake8 4.0, so fuck it, we're deleting all the deprecated shit. I should have done that first. Oh well, do it later. Pylon has a too few public methods error? What kind of stupid ass error is that? Too few public methods? Jesus. Stupid Pylon. Oh. Weird that there was a read lines pi 2. Okay, yeah. We'll be deleting that code. String types, so we'll be deleting this as well. Leave myself a note. Workspace flake8 notes. Are cache and compat. String types in utils. Read lines pi 2. Standard in get value pi 3. We'll have to clean that up here. Oh, look at this. It fixed the unit test mock for me. Nice. Nice. I exist! Pi Upgrade did all of that? Yeah, right, Grandpa's iPad? Pi Upgrade's amazing. It's so good. I'm really happy with it. I'm slowly but not so subtly pushing your software onto my entire team. Make it happen, JB Pratt. What's the minimum number of public methods required? Yeah, right? What a weird error message. I think the idea is that if a class only has one public method, it could just be a freestanding function. I don't like it, but I think it's to stop people writing Java in Python. Yeah. This project is very Java-like. I'm planning to rewrite it at some point. The other maintainer really likes that that object-oriented programming Kool-Aid. But yeah. So this is supposed to be the byte order marker, but this is a text string in Python 3. I suspect this was just kind of a mistake, but whatever. A lot of unit test mock. You can tell it's well-structured code when every test imports mock. Yeah, shut up, phone. Okay, that seems pretty good. Let's run the test suite, see how the test suite fared. When you cross Python and OOP, you get poop. It's true. I think the minimum is 2 by default and it's configurable. I understand. At least this got merged. I'm stuck on an old version of MyPy because flake8 is abusing a bug of MyPy, of an old version of MyPy at the moment. Make Python 2 support an extra. Oh. What is this install? This is cool. That's cool. What are the dependencies that it pulls in? Is this just typed AST? Oh. This doesn't accomplish anything though. Except in 3.8+. I guess in 3.8+ it makes a difference. But yeah, cool. What bug? flake8 has a really bad chunk of latent nullables, and MyPy, up until a particular version, was just completely fine with treating latent nullables as not nullable. So I'm currently stuck on 720. 740 fixed it. So yeah, I'm super far behind. I think 720 is also before MyPy C, so it's really slow too. But yeah, I want to fix that at some point, but I haven't done that yet. Latent nullables. So an example of a latent nullable is like this: def init self dot x equals none, self dot init x, and then you have So there's a lot of stuff in flake8 that does this, or stir. Essentially this pattern. And sometimes this doesn't get called in the constructor. Sometimes it builds like a null object and then fills it in later. And so the term in, if you're working in Kotlin, there's like built-in, I think it's a keyword called latent init, which is essentially this pattern, and it allows you to use non-nullable types but enforce them nicely. And MyPy doesn't have a concept of latent init. And so I'd have to type ignore every single line. I don't want to do that. I'd rather rewrite all the code. But yeah. Yeah. Orda says hello. What are you coding today? If you do bang today, you can learn about what I am working on. I am removing Python 2 support from flake8. Finally. It's been way too long. You can write a plugin. I'd rather just rewrite flake8, to be honest, because I don't like how it's structured right now anyway, and I want flake8 to be a series of steps, procedural steps. Right now, it's a series of God objects that like pass along state and are not so great. I want that to be much better. But yeah. Hey, what's up, Smallgram? Hello, hello. And Knowledge is here. What's your opinion on RMS being back in the Free Software Foundation? Well, I can share with you 2 of my lukewarm takes about it. Do you have music playing? Yeah, it just paused. I will restart it. I will share with you my 2 lukewarm takes about this. Here's one of the lukewarm takes. And here's the other one. Free as in from responsibility. Hey, what's up, Deskany? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. That is the other lukewarm take. I don't even remember why I had previously blocked them, but very glad I did. And one of the people that contributed to this repository is apparently somebody I have already blocked. But my thought is, you know, I feel like not even much of this needs to be said. Like, don't abuse women. Don't be a sexist pig. And if you are an organization that is enabling a person who is a known abuser, you are complicit to the abuse. You might as well be an abuser yourself. And yeah. So anyway, I'm not a fan of the decisions that they have made, and I think they have erased any potential, you know, positive stuff they got from the first time when they kicked him out. Clearly random. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. What is RMS? Richard M. Stallman. Yes, the dude that ate his own toes. And you know is well known as repeatedly overstepping bounds with women. But yeah. There were very intense and long discussions on work email about this. Wow, really? I don't even know how. I don't know how anything that RMS has done is defensible in any way, shape, or form. Like, I don't see how it's any sort of discussion. It's mostly just like everyone I've talked to has been like, yeah, fuck that guy. Glock says that's all admirable, but big tech is literally womanizing man who is addicted to drugs. That's not true. I do think there is a good percentage of tech that falls in that category, but I don't think you can just say big tech is man whores addicted to drugs. That's not universally true. I think the percentage of people that are that way are much higher than it should be, and much higher than is apparent from, you know, what people say openly. Like I think there is a significant amount of white supremacy, you know, racism, sexism, and, you know, being essentially a not great person. I think there's a lot of that in tech, And I think that it's not as well represented as we understand from what people say publicly. But yeah, none of that shit's tolerated here, so fuck RMS. Hey, Snowcones! Hello, hello. Good to see you. He supported Epstein, right? I think so. I don't remember specifically. Don't abuse women. Wow, I didn't know this was a political stream. Screw that. I won't watch political streamers. I'm gonna go back to my alt-right forum. That's funny, Marcia. Also, there's nothing wrong with numbing on toesies, but he did it in a gross way. Yeah. I thought RMS was a rodent management system. Even if tech was almost entirely womanizers, wouldn't mean that RMS is okay. Exactly. His website is something? I don't even want to know. Okay, so this is the first step. Pi upgrade. Pi 36 plus. Black will probably have a word with me on some of the changes that were made here. So we will let it touch those files and fix them. Let's see, what did Black do? Added a comma. Cool. Oh, because it knows that this is a Python 3.6 file now. I understand. Git commit. Yes. Oh, I guess I should have run the actual... I forget that flake8 doesn't actually run on flake8 unless you run the linters. Fuck. Oh, God. Is there a way to just run isort? I fucking hate this. I hate this. This is stupid. We're gonna set up isort because I'm pretty sure isort is what flake8 import order uses. What does flake8 import order use? Where are you? Isort, yeah. So we're just gonna set that up. We'll put it here. Repo github.com/pycqa/isort rev 5.7.0 hooks. Oh, I forgot to ask Timothy about the licensing. Forgot about that. Ezekiel, hello. Good to see you again. Risk management software, yeah. Root means square. Oh, Richard M. Stallman is RMS. The creepy dude of free software. That's why Anthony is always off by 1. Yeah. Rip math, yeah, exactly. Or 2 orders of magnitude, yeah. So the tag's not that way. Is it not with the V? Can never really tell whether it's with a V or not. My arm is no longer sore. Why was your arm sore, Snowcones? Did you get your punching bag yet? Is that why your arm was sore? Oh, gross. Ew, gross. Ew, super gross. Maybe we won't use that one. We're gonna not use flake8 isort. We're gonna use my import sorter. Oh, and we can set args 5 through 6 plus on this one as well. Reorder. Why does that look spelled super wrong? Having some semantic, what is the word? Oops. Semantic satiation. Oh. We fucked up some string, some code somewhere. Why are you mad? Oh, is there a syntax error file? What file is it mad about up here? I should just read the file name. Unknown. Is that really not? Oh fuck! I didn't save my notes. Can somebody clip that? Can somebody clip the right screen for me? Oh, because it doesn't pass along the file name hint here, so we don't actually know what file it is. But it's probably easy to find by doing this. Invalid syntax. Yeah, we're gonna do this. What did this change here? Mostly gonna split out my typing imports. Fine. And that should make the thing less mad. Okay, thank you for the clip there. Put this back in here and we'll save this time. Value cache, incompat, clean up most of that module. String types in utils, read lines, pi2, standard in, get value pi3. Pi3. And we'll click save this time, that way I don't lose it. Okay, thank you for that. Appreciate that. Oh, I'm sorry because of your vaccination shot. Oh, I'm so jelly. I'm so jelly. Did you finish your microcontroller? Says the Nova Glow. Here's the thing about software products and/or hardware products: they're never ever done. They'll never be truly done. Oh right, we have to tell this. But yeah, it works. Application directories. .:source. Let's try this again. So that should have fixed the tests, thinking that they're third party or whatever. Let's see what this does. Can't wait to be strong April 2nd or 4th. Nice, nice. Import statement in the wrong order. Should be before imports. Yes. Press X to doubt on that one. Probably the I think if I do this, then it'll be happy. Maybe. Really? Why do you want... It wants dict to be before cast. We're just gonna get rid of... we're gonna get rid of flake8 input order. Because we don't need it. Yeah, that's what we're gonna say there. Woo is who says, should I get into Linux? Yeah, I would recommend learning Linux. I think it's useful. to do. Why can't I just use Windows? You can use Windows. The pod got you. That's funny. Mordor? Yes, yes. I recommend using Open Solaris instead of Linux. No, don't do it. Using Linux itself looks like a whole programming language. Honestly, I think learning how to work on Linux is one of the most important skills that I have as a software engineer. I think it's that useful, and you'll learn a lot just by, you know, embracing a command line and working in it and understanding tools and stuff. If I use Linux, should it be my main OS or in a VM? Well, I run a VM, so you could be whatever you want. VM's super easy though, because you can always do it again. It was a scam to take our channel points. I didn't take your channel points; they were just redistributed. Grandpa's iPad. Small Graham says you can use it for your main OS if you want to. Up to you and your situation. Indeed, indeed. Marsha says I got some good points for betting inconsistently. It's true, you did. Cursa Chat says, how come for some files, shutil.copy2 does not preserve the last modified date? I don't know. It's possible that modified... Well, so mtime is kind of fiddly on most platforms. Oh no, that's atime. Atime's the fiddly one. Mtime should be copyable. I guess it depends on the partition, maybe? I don't know. Is it on directories or on files, recursive chat? What can I do on Linux, which I can't on Windows? Lots of stuff. Small Game says, I was up almost 20k babbies and bet them all on no on the final shiny. Oh, man. I mean, them's the breaks. Them's the breaks. Those stats apparently kind of rare. Are they though? I don't know. Knowledge uses it Windows. Yeah, there you go. Is the way to get a Windows OS on VirtualBox without paying for it? Yes. If you go to modern.ie, there are free virtual machines provided by Microsoft. They don't have license keys, so they expire quickly, but they're very good for testing. I use them a lot. And here's the best part. The website tells you to make a snapshot of your VM and roll it back when the license expires. So they're well aware of this is a loophole, and they have intentionally documented how to subvert the licensing. So I no longer feel bad for pirating Windows when I did in high school. But yeah, they tell you to subvert the license, so seems legit, right? But yeah. Polar Mutex, hello, hello. Best way to learn Linux is to dive right in and go all in and figure out what you need to know. Yeah, I agree. What Linux should I use? Oh, there's a whole ton of them. But if you want a tutorial about setting up a virtual machine, I have one that I did about setting up essentially what I have right here on my YouTube channel. I just linked that in the chat. But yeah, Ubuntu is a good place to start. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward, pretty close to how Windows operates. Dungus, hello, hello. How are you doing today? Doing pretty well. Doing pretty well. Recursion Chat says, basically I have a zip file, extract it using tar in a sub process because the zip file module in Python doesn't preserve the latest mtime. Then I copy each of the files to a destination using copy2. Shouldn't you extract it using unzip instead of tar? Does tar work for zip files? I didn't know that. Are you copying across devices, maybe? Because it could be that? Yeah, my chair's squeaking. I gotta lube it up. Actually, I just gotta get a new fucking chair. This chair's falling apart. But yeah, I need a new chair. Woo says, everyone hating on Windows, me watching on Windows. Yo, I'm on Windows too. Woo I'm on Windows, so it's all good. It's all good. Is that an official site? Yes, modern.ie is an official Microsoft website. Coffee Coder, hello, hello, good to see you. Is that Dungus Dumpleton? No. In these VM videos, by far the one I've watched the most. Nice, nice. Knowledge says +1 for Ubuntu for beginners. Yes, good place to get started. I thought tar only worked for gzip. I know it works for gzip, it works for bzip. I didn't know it worked for zipzip. But yeah. But yeah. Juice says, I ain't late dinner. Be back in a bit. Alright, sounds good, sounds good. Windows is fine, macOS is fine. No, macOS is not fine. Okay, what all got changed here? Mostly just split those out so that they reduce the merge conflicts. That's fine. I think we can actually get rid of that as well. Why is it still installing iSort, and why is it now 5.8? What's pulling in iSort? Oh, Pylint, probably. Probably Pylint. Probably Pylint. Oh, T-Bot T is here! How's it going, T-Bot T? How are you doing? It's been a while. Everyone hating on macOS, me watching on macOS. Yeah. What are your thoughts on HPI? I saw the blog post. It seems really cool if I wanted to write C, but I don't know that I really want to write C. I would be interested to see a CFFI HPI. Because I think CFFI is... If I'm going to write more C extensions, I'm pretty lazy at this point. CFFI is really, really nice when it works. But yeah, the blog post is really cool. Basically, they took the CPython API and made a new API that's like slightly different. So this is how you'd write a C extension. This is how you would write an HPy Python module, which looks similar. It's a little bit different, but it's very similar. And what they've done is there's like a special weird Python file that... Actually, I don't know how their loader works. I'm curious to see how their ABI loader works. This thing here. I want to know how this works. Also, why are they using package resources? Package resources are so slow! Don't use package resources! Hopefully they've changed it to use ImportLib resources. But, I like how Maddie, this is one of the PyPy devs. But yeah, it seems really cool. Like really, really cool. It essentially would allow you to make a CPython or a Python extension that works in CPython and PyPy without needing to recompile, which sounds amazing. But yeah, surprisingly, tar does work on zip files, and yes, copying is the same drive partition. Weird. Is copy 2 the one that you want? Python 2. And are you confirming that after the unzip it has the right metadata? Metadata is copied with copystat. Please see the copystat function for more information. Copystat. Copy the file metadata. Copy the permission bits, last access time, last modification time, and flags to source test. On Linux, copystat also copies the extended attributes where possible. Yeah, it seems like it should work. I don't know. macOS is great, except it doesn't have all the Linux packages I want. Yeah, which makes it not great. Nellen says, I will work on macOS tomorrow despite Friday. I have to work on macOS every day, and I hate it. Does everyone else hear iSort every time he says iSort? Yeah, they're pretty close. Pretty close. Yeah, CFI is nice. Also Rust. Yeah, there you go. I just can't with Rust. The syntax is just too weird. Have you ever coded in Perl? I've written a little bit of Perl. I didn't really like it. It works. I wish PyPy had a stable ABI. They're working on it, I think. I believe. Mulgram says, my current best friend is Nim. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Chelsea? Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Or is that C. Helson? I'm working on dropping Python 2 automatically in flake8. And, well, this was the automatic pull request. You can see, like, I ran the tool PyUpgrade, which is a tool that I wrote. It, you know, fixed Unicode strings, got rid of this stuff. We also did import sorting at the same time. Got rid of object, yield from, you know, import splices. That's from the import sorter. F strings, renaming of exception types, automatic super, all sorts of really, really nice stuff. But yeah, we did that part automatically. We're gonna be cleaning up the rest of it, the rest of the manual stuff that I need to do. JPrat says, dumb question here. Is there a verbose mode to PyUpgrade which dumps a line for the thing it updated? Easy commit message fluff for me. I'm pretty sure it prints when it runs. Can scroll back a bit to get to the part where PyUpgrade actually ran though. Pretty sure it prints the file names that it edits. Oh my god. There we go. Oh wait, no, that's still import reordering. Where the fuck is the PyUpgrade stuff? Was it even in this tab? FexJocks! Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh my god. Scrolling forever. Yeah. So it does this. Tells you which things it edits. Heptapod? What is that domain? Yeah, it's their, like, Bitbucket replacement. Wait. Didn't I just say hi to C. Helson? Oh. I see. You have followed. Thank you for the follow. GitHub, please. There you go. Bang GitHub. You can look at my GitHub profile and see if it loads. Oh, it was just slow. You can see all of the things that I do on the GitHub, which is a lot. There you go. There's my GitHub. Who says, do you play any games? I play a lot of Pokemon. Played a lot of Borderlands 2. I played a lot of Skyrim. Played a lot of FTL. I played a lot of Minesweeper, if that counts as a game. I played a fuck ton of Minecraft. Yeah. I like to shiny hunt in Pokemon. I have an absurd amount of shiny Pokemon and a cool spreadsheet to track them. I'm very close to getting back to 100%. Just have to get these 6, and also these to get the other 4 maze. But yeah, I got this one today, Darumaka. If you remember when we euthanized a bunch of Darumakas yesterday, I got the shiny one today, so that's kind of cool. But anyway. Holy shit, says Chelsea. yeah. Pokemon and Minecraft are the best things? Yeah, they're both real good. You have a spreadsheet for Pokemon? Yeah, of course I do. Why wouldn't I have a spreadsheet for Pokemon? Now it says bang OnlyFans. Yeah. Does the financial company not trust you on Linux? It's true, it's true. That is exactly the issue. You do unboxing videos? What would I unbox? What would I unbox? Unboxing a Pokemon of cards? I haven't collected cards since I was a kid. I have some old cards somewhere, but yeah, I don't know. I feel like unboxing streams are kind of cheap fun. It's fun, but it's also just kind of like, look at all the money I have, you know? And I'd rather spend my money on other stuff. Get grab dash L early cache, so we should be able to get rid of this here. And get rid of LRU cache here. Yes. And then do from func tools. Actually, we can just do import the func tools. LRU cache func tools dot. Why is this imported weird? I don't know. LRU cache. Chelsea says, you work a lot, don't you host? Or it's just for your profile? What do you mean by don't you host? What does that mean, Chelsea? What do you mean? Oh, there's red here. Oh. So I did a dumb here. Needs to be a tuple. You know how you can buy boxes of cardboard boxes from USPS? Unbox those. Come here, Salon. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Or look at all the stuff I'm going to return in 2 weeks. Yeah, that seems super scummy to me. That seems super scummy. Like donating subs for Juice's followers? Yeah, that's to charity at least. Really want to see him unbox something? I'll think about it. Powell CXX, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Pokemon cards unboxing during a hot tub stream would break the internet. Yeah, there you go. Somewhere to host your projects? I mean, most of the stuff that I do is open source. There's a few things that are not open source, but I also host those on GitHub because easy peasy. Oh no. Is this you showing me its package resources, Ethan? No. Why? No. Is Pigment CI open source? Parts of it are, but most of it's not. Ninja Brewer, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, so that's the LRU cache. Which actually there's nothing else in compat, so I can get rid of that as well. Clean up LRU cache in compat. Source flake8 utils. String types. What else can we clean up here? String types. You just have to stir. Stir. String types. Oh. String types. Stir. 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 Oh no, why is type stir type? Why do we have a variable called type? Oh, right. Stop parse garbage. Stir. Ugly black line. Black the linter. Sorry. That sounds wrong. I realized as soon as I said that, I was like, wait a minute. That sounds racist. What's wrong with package resources? It's super slow. There's import lib metadata, or import lib resources, which is much faster. Much better. Package resource is kind of the old setup tools API. Cancelled, yeah. It should be package resources. Yes, of course. Technically, import lib metadata also traverses the site packages, but it's much faster about it. Import lib resources does not, but it's, and that's, I think import lib resources is all that's needed there. Git diff, git grab string types. Okay, clean up string types. Get rid of that one. Git grab read lines pi2. Git grab dash l read lines pi2. Which should just go away. Why is this less than 40? Who wrote this? Well, we can just take this code and put this code in here. Syntax error, Unicode error. Fall back to Latin 1. Gross. That's not great. Culture is an effective means of stopping bad actors in the system that refuses to punish them. I like that. I like that a lot. Without the tweeters, I wouldn't get to see today in open source rants. You're right, Summersoft. I mean, you can still get them on the stream, I guess. That's still a thing. Okay. Clean up read lines pi2. Get grab that shell, standard in, get value pi3. Which we can just inline now. Cool. Getting cache it so plugins can use it. Standard value equals buffer read bytes IO. Oh god, why is this code so complicated? Oh, because new line wackiness. Yeah, I remember. I remember now. In Unix and related computer operating systems, a file descriptor FD less frequently filled as fields. I mean, file descriptors is what I've never heard of fields. I've never heard that. Filled as. A limited kinds culture wasn't needed, but yeah. Less equals formula identification little doozy extra sauce. Oh, what are you mad about? It's imported but unused. Oh, is this from the last patch? Yeah. Run this, just make sure. Must be an original thing? Oh no! Mindful Fox! Oh no, look what you've done. Like, something's confusing here. Mindful Fox, you missed it. There was a stream where everyone in chat changed their name to be Pink. Everyone in chat was Pink. I was so confused. Summertime says, I'm trolling tonight, no sleep in 37 hours. Oh my god. Get some sleep. Get some sleep. It's all good. Trolley's fine. Goodbye, patch talks. You're still confused? Yeah, that's true. I'm always confused. The way things go. It's just the way things go. Alright, but then we can RM notes. What's t.py? What are you? Alright, me explaining latent it garbage. Okay. Clean up. Standard in, get value pi3. Alright, so now we look for version info. Git grab version info. Okay, don't care about that. We do care about that. Greater than or equal to 3, 4. and I fixed this in typeshed already, but can't upgrade my 5 because reasons. If less than 3-3. Order dict. I don't think we actually need an order dict there either. We can get away with Wiktionary comprehensions. We'll do order dict in a second. Order dict thingies. Yeah, we can leave that. I don't know why it's 0:2. X fail in Python 2. Oh, my disk is vibing weirdly. Okay, so get rid of that. And then we run Tox again. Oh no. Oh no. Join the pink side, says Ethan. Wait, fuck. I sleep soon. Insomnia sucks. Oh, it's summer soft. Oh my god. So my color changed, but it didn't for my first message. Yeah, Twitch is kind of shitty about a lot of stuff like that for reasons. You have cis and you don't need it. Let's try it again. Is that Vim? And the bot got you, coffee coder. The bot knows what's up. D-Dels, hello, hello. I made it after my dog viciously munched someone's head off. What? Get grab virgin info. Marsha? Marsha? Excuse me, Wiktionaries are ordered. Yeah, they are. So Antbong, what's this about a new plugin architecture thingy? Yeah, so the current plugin architecture for Flake8 does not work for multiprocessing, and I also want to satisfy a few use cases that have not been available for a while. And those are two things. One is a plugin, or allow people to write a plugin which sets configuration defaults. So you could install like flake8 black config, and it would disable E203 and whatever the other annoying black things are. The other use case that I want to satisfy is a way for people to write filter plugins. So they could take the error codes of a module and disable them programmatically instead of filtering them statically. So it would add a pre-step plugin and a post-step plugin. And then the other thing is I want the actual linter plugins to have better state management. Right now, it only works. You can only use multiprocessing on fork-enabled systems because they depend on global mutable state. I want the plugin state to be well-formed such that I can spin up multiprocessing workers and serialize the state to the individual workers instead of relying on fork right now. So those are the ideas that are spinning around in my head. Unfortunately, the middle stage part of that necessarily means that Flake8 needs a big breaking change. I think that'll come in Flake8 5. I think during Flake8, well, maybe it'll be Flake8 6 by that point. But I think sometime during Flake8 4, I'm going to add the new API and deprecate the old ones. I also need to like rewrite some of the internal shit too, because it's complicated and gross. One moron to rule them all says, annoying question for you, all that you probably get every day. Should I start to learn how to code with Python or JavaScript? Whichever works for you. Whatever you want to do. Depends on what you're trying to work on. But either of them are fine first languages. First off says 6 prongs versus 2 or 3. What are we talking about for prongs? What are the prongs? What prongs? Prongs? Prong. No. What about prongs? Doesn't matter. I can flip a coin for how much. It doesn't matter. Just get your feet wet, and then you can make a decision once you understand what they offer. Yeah, exactly. Knowledge. Knowledge. User says, fucking Wi-Fi repeaters. It's been working fine for weeks. Now it randomly couldn't get a strong signal. Can only get a few seconds of Anthalk every couple seconds. Oh no. Step one of relying on fork. Don't. Yeah, exactly. Attack of the Pink. Yeah, we got another Pink stream. Thing is, I read that Python is the easiest one. Then I read that Python is only used for data analysis and AI. You can use Python or JavaScript for basically anything. Coffee Coder says, but Babby works just on Linux. Does it now? Let us cd into workspace. Is this Python still working? We'll open up babby.exe. We'll look at babby main.py. And look, Babby works on Windows too. Doesn't need to just be Linux. Works on all of them. Keyboard shortcuts work too. Pretty neat, huh? Bet you've never seen color in a command.exe prompt, right? But yeah, it works. Works fine. It's fine. Hey, what's up, John? Hello. Welcome to the stream, and thank you for the follow. Yeah, you deserve that bonk. There you go. Plug in, power sectoral prongs. Oh, okay. I get it now. I understand. I get you. Vavu stream. Didn't somebody who in chat was working on an editor and they were like, we're gonna call it Vavu just to be trolly. If you want good Wi-Fi coverage, get PoE routers. Pathfax, yeah. It's a touchy. Hello. Welcome back. Good to see you. Okay. Git -u, git commit -m, clean up, version info, references. Okay. Now we need to look for order dict. Taku, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Ordered dict. This is unnecessarily complicated for reasons that I don't understand. Parameters equals parameter.name, parameter.default is parameter.empty. For parameter in inspect.signature parameters. If parameter.kind additional or keyword. And then we remove self if it is contained. Seems fine. We have a type annotation on this function. Oh, it's already stirbool. Cool. Oh, that's it. That is it. That appears to be everything. Let's run the tests. Behold the power of Ethernet. Yeah, Ethernet's the real good one. Ethan says, I love how we have power over Ethernet and Ethernet over power. Power over Ethernet terrifies me. Hey, what's up, Edgekaris? Hello. Welcome back. Good to see you. I have Ethernet over Ethernet. I also have Ethernet over Ethernet. But the modem of the router is in the attic, and I'm in the living room 2 stories below. Old house, and there's only telephone line. Oh, no. Knowledge says, I was tempted to make a Vim-like for Vavu. Make it happen, right? Make it happen. Power line interferes with the DSL signal. Oh no, that's the worst. And on the day Cat 6 defeated the lesser Cat 5, and much power was had throughout the land. There's Cat 7 now, I think. Moving on up. Teku says, I'm doing well. Always trying to follow some programming streams and languages that interest me. Cool. Well, welcome. Good to have you. Clean up ordered dict. Okay, so this is the part where I think I've forgotten all the things that I need to look over, so we're just gonna read every file. We're gonna ignore the docs. Maybe we'll read every file. It shouldn't take too long though. Well, we fucked this up, so let's we're off to a good start. We need to rebase this back into a different patch though. I don't have a quit all yet, so we just do this slowly. Okay, so we actually no longer have 2.7. Rebase me! Meet data. So this is supposed to go into this commit. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, that's good now. Bandit. Stupid bandit. I hate bandit. Bandit's dumb. Coverage on C. Seems reasonable. Okay. Seems fine too. I do like that I can get rid of this if I upgrade my Pi. We already did this file. HG ignore. The fuck? Why do we have a Mercurial ignore? I guess this used to be in Mercurial. Oh god, and the HG tags too. I don't know what that means. Mail map. Oh yeah, Ian changed email addresses a bunch of times, I guess. Config, yeah, fine. Figment hooks, fine. Pilot. I don't know why CVS is in here. But I assume this is fine. I don't really care about Pilot. Shit. Fucked this one too. Alright, get rid of those. Travis, though. I don't even think Pi works on Travis. Dude, Travis is stupid. Let's do that. Contributing, contributors. Am I on this list? I am, look at that. This list is so out of date. License. Manifest. Mostly looking for code. In the docs, I'm mostly looking for code. It says. Like code things that I have to change. I don't think there's actually that many code things here. Oh shit. Oh, roughly yes. Okay, good. I don't have to keep this up to date. Because this is not up to date at all. Glossary, blah 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 blah. Mostly looking for Python code chunks. Mostly ignoring everything else. Actually, there probably won't be many Python code chunks. Oh shit, that last file I need to do. Boop. Boop. Okay. Fix support for Python 2.5. Okay, I don't care about release notes. F812. We actually don't have that code anymore because we don't support Python 2. I think I can get rid of this. And the version 2.7.12. No booty! I always love the TTS when you resub no booty. Thank you for the resub. Welcome back. Good to see you. 8 months of September. Appreciate your continued support. Tucker says, I'm very confused by what I'm seeing, and that's okay. I'm cleaning up some old garbage. Everyone should ignore CVS, I guess. Yeah. Summersoft says Walgreens greater than CVS. Walgreens? The Walgreens? I don't know. CVS has got him beat on receipt length, though. I think I'll just leave this. I don't think that actually matters. Why are you saying 2.7? Oh god. We are just going to get rid of some of these. Do that. Yes. Yeah, I don't actually give a shit about this. Let's put 3.8 and 3.9 there. This doesn't actually matter. This one I need to figure out whether whether we need to change this or not. I suspect it might still be a problem, but oops. That was weird. So get add Travis. Will you base me more meat data stuff? Okay. Okay. Did you ever add code formatting to Babby? I have not done that yet. I need to do that at some point. You trying to use team expanding to switch windows when I actually have 2 GNOME terminal windows open? Yeah, it happens. Jay Brown says good night. Well, thank you for stopping by. Always good to see you. Grams iPad says my CVS receipt was so long the cashier handed me a backslash. I love it. It's such a nerd joke. Pretty ox. Hello, hello. Good to see you. We got some Python code here. I mean, it's copy pasta from. Why is the highlighting wrong here? Does I bet the RST plugin doesn't know about code block. Because it's not highlighting this as Python. It's highlighting that as RST. It probably just doesn't know about it. Okay, that seems fine. Probably not gonna find much in here related to Python 3, Python 2 stuff. I think we're mostly just going to see the normal things here. Hopefully we'll get to the oh, this is like writing plugins for flake8 too. Probably just delete this at some point. Because flake8 2 is super fucking old. Get rid of that there. And then we get to the release notes, which we can mostly skip over. Requirements. Oh, there was one. config parser here. That is a Python 2 backport. My phone with USB tethering works better than the repeater, but fuck it, at least it works now. Maybe my laptop just has crappy Wi-Fi model. Yeah, that could be it too. Or docs. Or docs. Docs on docs on docs. Yeah, I saw this already. We already fixed this module. This is just all the options. This is the legacy API, which I'm gonna be killing at some point. We fixed that one already. Alright, I think we're mostly good with the code ones. We're mostly good with the docs ones. And then we'll just be looking at code. This is so ugly. Who would write this? Why? So we can get rid of this. I think I fixed this in setup tools, so I think we can actually get rid of that as well. Try this again. Pretty sure I fixed that in setup tools. Yeah, so that's fine. If we do this, are we still fine as well? Do we get the warning from setup tools? Nice, we do not. Sick! Can I put this on one line? Is that a thing? Tofu already at your place? Nope, Tofu will be here tomorrow. And then I will have the puppy. I'll have to be the puppy daddy. Which is going to be work. That'll be fine though. This is annoying. Don't know if we actually need this though. What is the no QA comment for? I don't know what this is possibly ignoring. What does the no QA comment in setup.py do? Question mark. Ooh. Typing.type was introduced in Python 3.5.2. Do this. Actually, I should probably just do a patch for that. Do patch for typing imports. Yes. Will she ever not be a puppy? I mean, Tofu's gonna be a tiny corgi, so I think she's kind of gonna seem like a puppy forever. Why is this not one line? Probably because Black is configured to do 78 characters instead of 79. Okay, that seems fine. Yes, yes. Module containing all public entry points for flake8. I like how it's empty. Yeah. Weird. Seems mostly fine. Why didn't this import get rewritten? Oh, I know why. If I move this import down here, that'll rewrite that. Fix import in source flake8 checker.py. Actually, I can probably just do that and let it do the things. Yeah. This is the I think this is the biggest file in flake8. Most complicated one. Oh, we gotta do type annotations, type comments. Yeah, that's gonna be a fun one. Because I'm pretty sure there's a lot of circular stuff, so fixing the type comments is gonna suck. Some of them will be easy. Some of them not so much. Some of them not so much. Yeah, like this shit is kind of janky. This is latent it failing. All puppies are always puppies. Yeah, there you go. Is that a mathologic problem? Yeah. This can be an F string. Oh, I think I just did this one, right? Type E that name and E that args 0. And black will fix this line in theory. I should just audit all dot format calls. So I'm just gonna undo that. And we'll do it again later. Seems fine. Wait, what did I get bonked for? Oh, save it in notes? Okay. Sigma virus 24, wasn't the Sigma virus something from the Mega Man X games? I don't know. That's just the other guy that sometimes maintains flake8. This is an interesting module. Oh god, this regex was such a fucking pain in the ass to write and perfect and fix. A bunch of errors. SMF string stuff we can do in here as well. Oh, this self.format. Whoa, that was weird. Whoa, rectangular selection. This is not Babby. This is my terminal doing this. I guess holding control lets you rectangular select. Oh yeah, I'm gonna delete the gethook stuff, so maybe we'll do that first. Should I do that first and then rebase? Maybe I'll do that first and then rebase, because it'll mean less work on this branch. Yeah, let's do that while I'm thinking about it. Okay, so I gotta redo all the Python files anyway, so we at least got ourselves a list of things to do. Data E stuff. That as well. Rebase me into the import sorting one. Okay. Let's see. You can go into here. Also, this other meet data one. And you can go into here. Move VCS stuff. RM, RR, source, flake8, main, Mercurial. I don't know, I did dash R. Get grep Mercurial. Okay, so we gotta look for install hook. That's what it's called. Install hook. Goodbye. Strongly suggest to use flake8 via. Oh yeah, this whole section could just go away. Yep. This section goes away as well. And this one as well. Cool. Cool. Sick. Goodbye, Mercurial stuff. And this stuff as well. I think this entire module goes away. Oh, what was that module called? BCS? Yeah. Goodbye. Meets data. Yeah, so this is a dumb, stupid joke that I laugh about inside my head a lot because I think it's funny. There was this service at Lyft that was not actually a service. It was called the Meta Service, and it was the repository that provisioned other service repositories. And I thought it would be funny to call it the meat service. Not the meta service, the meat service. And I somehow convinced like my entire team to stop calling it meta service and start calling it meat service. and yeah, we stopped calling it meta service and called it meat service. And I was drunk during the night of the IPO and renamed the repository to meat service on GitHub. So now forever onwards, if you work at Lyft, you could go to github.com/lyft/meat service and it will redirect. Also, there is an emoji for deploying a service. You didn't actually deploy meat service, but you ran some deploy scripts such that it created repositories, and there's an emoji for every service, and the emoji for meat service was slab of meat or whatever it is. But yeah, anyway. Seeing you use a terminal-based editor makes me miss Emacs, huh? Like it was interacting with Mercurial? Yep. That Regex had the no QA in there before, so I was looking for the first no QA comment. Yeah, I was looking. That was the no QA comment, Regex. No QA is flake8, essentially. Also, Fixer Jank, how's it going? Hello. Well, yeah, meat data. Sometimes I feel like Anthony doesn't even know what he's doing, but his body's just following his muscle memory. Yeah, sometimes I feel the same way, like, oh, cool. This is a dumb, stupid joke. Classic Anthony incoming. Exactly. Meat servants, arugament, repo, dick sword. What else do we have? But yeah, does calling things a service come from systemd's service? No, systemd's service has been around for a lot longer than systemd has. I don't know what it comes from, to be honest. Fisher Jake says, Tired had to drop off my car at a body shop because some asshole slammed their door. Oh no. That sucks. My insurance didn't give me a rental. Oh, that's even worse. That sucks. Demand import breaks pyflix and flake8.plugins.pyflix. There's no way that's still true. But also we don't import Mercurial anymore, so we can get rid of this. Get grab, install hook. Install hook. Release notes. Install hook. Install hook. Where does this option come from? Running from VCS. I don't know. Running from VCS. Oh, I guess it's just set here. This is always going to be false, so this is always going to be true. Okay, I think that mostly gets rid of the stuff. Let's see what the linters have to say. Taco says, what is your alcohol of choice? Beer, liquor? I mostly drink beer. Break a point. Yes, indeed, the Endless River. I mostly drink beer. I also drink a lot of wine. I like vodka. I like rum. No. Test unit test. Get RM. That guy. Get grep get. That's not gonna be helpful. And Python files? Oh, that's also not gonna be helpful. We'll just rerun the thing-a-things. They have to decide if they're gonna deem it uninsured claim so I can get a rental for free. Ah, I see. Besides what I did wrong with my question earlier with copy 2, I forgot I was modifying the file after copying it. That would do it, recursive chat. That would do it. Marsha says, I have the randomest question, but can I just link any .so on my system to a C++ file and then like use the stuff in it? Yeah, you can. If that SO file has C what do you mean no source code? Shouldn't have source code at all. Oh, it's because it doesn't do the coverage shit. Fuck. Oh, I think I have to do talks 536 bin coverage erase. It should really do that as part of running talks, but I think the other maintainer does some other weird stuff there. Yeah, if it has the right calling construct, you can in theory link it in and call functions from it. Taka says, what is your favorite beer? Mine is probably Dragon's Milk or Dragon's Milk White. I like stouts. I like porters. I like Belgians. I like wheat beers. I think my favorite beer at the moment is there's this beer from Grand Rapids, Michigan. I believe it's called Knucking Futz. Let's see if I can find it. Knucking Futz beer. Knucking Futz. Yes. Imperial peanut butter chocolate cream porter. Really good. This one's really good. I wonder if I can get this. Oh wait, this is from California. Maybe it's not this one then. Maybe it's not this one. No, because this one's from California. This one's more bitter than I. What is it called? Shit, I'll have to ask my dad. I'm pretty sure it's a beer that I can't get in California though. But it's a peanut butter stout. So good, so good. Oh, sake. I like sake too. I forgot about sake. And soju. Also good too. Sometimes I miss writing C++, then I snap out of my delusions and go back to .NET. There you go, Fixter Jake. Arsha says, Anthony just forgot about me in the middle of talking to me. What did I forget? What did I lose in the middle train? Oh, I gotta fill up my water. I'm an hour late filling up my water. I'm gonna go fill my water. I'll be right back, chat. I'll see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. Hello. Your favorite beer isn't the s'mores beer you had on Monday? Nah, it was pretty good, but it's just not my favorite. In the UK, you can get pre-canned Jack and Coke. Wow, really? Baltic porters are the absolute best. Wheats come after that, says Summersoft. I see. Dragon's milk is also made in Michigan. Ooh. I need some Nuck and Futz in my life, right? Right? Right, Root? Yeah, it's good. Why have ice cream when you can just throw all the ingredients into some beer? Yeah, it's kind of true. Bang water, it's heating up in California. Yeah. It's true, it is. The email server says, deleting and changing hundreds of lines of code and all the tests are still passing just anything. It's true. We're getting pretty good at that. Soju greater than sake. Soju's definitely more drinkable. Knowledge says, did you hear about the massive delay in a container of bad dragons? Apparently on a ship called Evergiven. Bad dragon, right. I remember what that is now. Knowledge. I remember what that is. Yes, there's the bonk. There's the bonk. It's like, bad dragon. What is bad dragon? Oh, right. Soju, don't make me remember those days that I probably don't remember. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Coder? You're back. Hello. Oh. Do you prefer Django or Flask? I prefer Flask. Show water. It's there. They're too expensive, says Marsha. Oh my. Final Fox says, no wonder I haven't received my parcel yet. Was that pure vodka? Yeah, that would be a pretty insane vodka. Okay, remove. Get commit dash n, remove VCS integration. Of course, Black's got something to say about stuff. That was exactly the line I was like, oh yeah, it's gonna change that line. It's gonna make it different. feel like it's not better though. I feel like the way that Black chose to format that is not good. But that's the way things go. That is the way things go. D-Del says, oh, we played the fun. What happens if D-Del falls asleep with Twitch on Anthony, and then I got passed to 2 additional streams before I woke up, turned my TV off last night? Nice. That happens to me. That happens to me pretty often. Twitch has stopped double bouncing me on raids, though. I don't know why. Maybe it's a Firefox bug. Chubby Freak, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. 701 deletions. Feels good. Feels real good. Get remote. Get remote and Ace Chili. Get nope. Get lab. God, I hate GitLab. I have a nice script that does this for me on GitHub. Git push origin remove VCS. Chubby Freak says, love the keyboard. Yes, it is the Kinesis Freestyle Pro. You can learn more about it in the Bang keyboard command. Did you end up in a hot tip stream? Oh no. Oh no. I just yelled, hey Google, TV off when I heard non-Anthony. Ah, I see. Root says, I just watched your systems design mock interview on YouTube recently. Any plans for another one soon? Yeah, I'd be down for doing some more. I need to get some people that would be willing to run some interviews with me. But yeah, I can do more. It's pretty easy content to make. I mean, a little bit stressful content to make, but it's pretty easy content to make. Okay, there is an issue associated with this one. See, now this little thing works. Why it didn't work before. Now I gotta find the issue that I made here. Or did I close it? Yeah, close. Close. Well, I definitely closed associating this. Via 568. The removal for 568. So we can review the patch before I click button, although it's pretty much just red, entirely red. This one's a little bit different because the black changed stuff, but the rest of it should just be purely red. Good riddance. Fuck that code. Goodbye. So meet. Would you be the interviewer or interviewee? Either way. He crushed designing Pokemon Go. Yeah, it's true. It's true. I actually did that on stream, so a lot. I have a few people that are in chat were there that day, which is cool. Which is cool. My friend sent me this tweet and was like, I'm thinking about this a lot today. Here, Secure is the least secure laptop which can push code to any of your dependencies. Not broadly adjusted to in tech yet. Yeah. You can't just call everything a supply chain attack surface. Me pointing a completely uncompensated open source labor supply chain attack surface. Oh fuck. Oh no. Yeah. It is too real. Doesn't even require malfeasance on behalf of the open source contributor. A great deal of the effort to secure my laptop is because of what the laptop could do in someone else's hands. The world has many laptops and few people paid to secure them constantly. Yeah. What's the drill if an engineer's laptop is in a car which is broken into? They wouldn't be able to log in because we force a password prompt. Then even if they could, We would have to elevate privileges to push code, and we nuke boxes, roll chefs when they report it gone. Yeah, no one has this for their personal stuff. What's the drill if the engineer doesn't work for us? We hope we learn about it via Twitter before the code hits prod. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. That's pretty messed up. I wish that Twitch had a view history. They probably stored it in the database somewhere. Oh no! GitLab's trying to get us to run train. Cambrian, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Did it do its thing yet? So they got rid of the merge when things pass button, which really pisses me off. They've added this button, but watch, we'll press this button. And watch. The changes will be merged into master. Look at this fucking fake news bullshit right here. These changes will be merged into master. You ready? You ready for these changes to be merged into master, chat? Alright, the three things are green now. Did it merge it into master? No. Apparently, Ace removed this merge request from the merge train. Did you see me remove it from the merge train, chat? Did you? No. GitLab is fucking garbage. Fucking garbage. Ugh. Now, where's my damn merge button so I can do this manually? Fuck off. Let me merge. Garbage. The data is probably somewhere accessing it. Well, we won't discuss that. You know, honestly, DDLs, you can probably get it by doing a GDPR data request. If I had to guess, because that should be in your data dump. And if it's not, well then you have another thing on your hands, which is the potential to get a bunch of money in the EU. Will make use Bitbucket for one stream? No. No. It'll be easier to check my personal internet logs? Yeah, that's true. If you keep history. Yeah, look at how much more code is covered now. 172, like more than half. More than half? More than half? Yeah, more than half of the uncovered code just got deleted. Coverage increased by 3.7%. That's pretty dope. Deleting code's fun, kids. You should try it out sometime. Alright, check out mast, get pull. Now I get to rebase. Now I get to play the rebase game. Do this. Wow, that took forever. Why did it take so long? Yeah, we'll do that without dry run. Coverage not high enough, delete code. Yeah, hey, what's up, by Satisfied? Hello, hello. DL says I have 30 terabytes of server available to me. What else am I gonna do? I guess that's fair. I mean, that's a lot of porn. It's a lot of porn space you got there, DLs. It is, but you have to jump through hoops to get the disclosure. I mean, you shouldn't have to. You should be able to just do it. Neilsir says, I got a data dump from Spotify and was able to reconstruct all the traveling I did in 2019 because they had stored all my IPs. Oh, that's cool. Prune remote branches is an alias? No, it's a script. Prune remote branches. It is a Python script. It is on my GitHub. In this repository. But yeah, it runs this terrible bash pipeline, which I don't really trust. Also, it hasn't been updated for main. I gotta do that at some point. This should really just say head. I think that's how I make this script portable, but I have not tried to fix this yet. That's that's me the other day, and that's another day me thing to do. But yeah. Well, the point is stored on the other 60 terabytes. I see. Get the hub to pay you to be a mirror. Wait, what? Hey, what's up? Oh, I understand. The hub. I get you. Mike Nachos, that's a good name. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. It's just a lot of anti-patterned BS, really. Oh, you mean my script? Yeah, it could be much better. I severely need to rewrite it. I have not done that yet. Got an email from CodeCove. Thanks, CodeCove. Alright, so now we gotta do the pain of rebasing this branch. Check out Pi 3+. But it's gonna save us effort in the long run. Please, 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 please. Okay, that's kind of expected. Get RM, source, flake8, main, get. RM, source, flake8, main, VCS. Okay, now we have this again. I like how this says deleted by us, but it's actually deleted by them because rebase is backwards for fucking weird reasons. Okay, and that should just be delete. Okay, that wasn't so bad. Could have been way worse. Okay, install hook is gone. What does no QA comment in setup.py do? Yes, good question. Past me. What do you do, no QA comment? Is your script brave and uses -d, -big D, or -little d? I think it uses a little d. Which prune remote branches, but it also pushes to the origin, so yeah. Hello? Oh, it does the push first. It does the more destructive thing before the less destructive thing. It should really do this first and then do this to be slightly safer. But yeah, little d, delete, as opposed to big D, which is fucking deleted, and I don't really want it ever. Bye. Goodbye. Sort of delete, but yeah. But yeah, use the little d. Okay, so apparently that no QA did nothing. Surprise. Get check out more master -b. This no QA does nothing. Oh, I guess I can just run. We can just run yes QA. Alright. You know, on purpose? What did I do on purpose? What did I get bonked for? What am I getting bonked for? What did I do this time? Yes, QA. -G, what am I doing? But we have a bunch of flake8 plugins, if I recall correctly. Yes, all these ones here. Virtual VM VSQA. I actually can just do talks dashy linters dev via linters. Yes, that's what we can do. The emphasis on big D. I mean, big D, little d. What begins with D? Check call. That's got a couple of years on it. Check call is not going away. Run is not a replacement for check call. Despite what people will tell you, they are misreading the subprocess documentation. One of them is a high-level API, and the other one is a low-level API. They're not going away. Pip install yes QA. Donnie Groot, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Python files xargs yes QA. Tests, fixtures, example code. We gotta exclude that. grep-v fixture / example code xargs. That's a funny side effect that I didn't anticipate. These are no QA comments in a comment. So I guess I gotta... Yeah, why was this no QA'd? Weird. So we gotta ignore one of those. Get checkout dash P. No. Yes. No. I see it reformatted that one slightly to adhere to... We can get rid of that. Yes. Okay, so... That's all that changed. Let's try this again. Commentception? Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So... it says there's nothing wrong talking about little D. I see. I see where you're going with there. Nice satisfied. Man, I felt super fat this morning. Juice and I bought a box of Oreos. I think it was last Sunday. Like a family-sized fucking thing of Oreos. And they're all gone. They're all gone. I ate a whole fucking box of Oreos. Basically by myself in a week. Just this morning? Yeah, no, not just this morning, Novaglow. I've been feeling a little COVID chunky for a while. Commit dash and remove unused no QA comments. Last Sunday, like yesterday? No, the Sunday before that. I guess you should use chopsticks. Yeah. Problem is I keep buying unhealthy food, and then I have unhealthy food in my house, and then I eat unhealthy food. That's the core of it. I need to buy more healthy food. I think it just means I need to buy more bananas, to be honest. Get remote, get push these to the head. We have answered that no QA comment question. Honestly, sys.path should need a no QA. Now we get to rage at GitLab again. Did you stop exercising? Nope, still exercising every day. It must just be the differential between, like, I sit in a chair more all day long, whereas before I was like walking to work, I'd go climbing several times a week. You know, I'd walk around the office, I'd go to meetings and stuff, but now I just fucking sit in my chair all day. Which is, yeah, not so good. Jay Carey! Hello. Cookie Monster, yeah, it's true. Adulting and eating well is hard. It's true. Steve-O Bandito! Hello. Get some tomatoes, though? Oh, yeah. Tomatoes are so good. Yeah. But yeah, actually, I don't have any tomatoes or bananas or milk or... I need to get food. I need to get more food. I don't have more food right now. Root says, will you run a marathon again once they come back? Yeah. At some point, I do want to run a marathon to meet my goal of a 4-hour marathon. 4-hour marathon? Yeah, 4-hour marathon. So I will at some point get back into running. Honestly, whenever I run, my weight just plummets. It's great. Running is like the easiest fucking way to lose weight for me. Partially because it burns a lot of calories, but also because it makes me want to eat less. For some reason. Zolotyavarata. Sorry if I mispronounced your name, but thank you for the follow and welcome to the stream. The Nova Glow says, what mic do you use? I have the Blue Yeti as my microphone. I have the silver version of it. Not the black one. The black one looks really nice. I wish I had the black one. I have the silver version. And if you get this microphone, one thing that you're going to want to do, otherwise it will sound like shit, is in your sound, if you're on Windows, I don't know how you do this on other platforms. If you're on Windows, you will go to, where is it? Device properties, and there's this volume meter. By default, it's set to 100, and on 100, it sounds like garbage. Unless you're doing ASMR. Do you want to hear it on 100? We'll hear it on 100. Are you ready? So, this is me whispering.
picks up basically everything. It's super loud. You can also hear all of the fan noise in my room. You can basically pick up anything. And yeah, I can whisper. And yeah, you basically, you hear everything. Everything. So if that's what you want out of a microphone, well then, I mean, there you go. And get the whole experience going. Ooh. What else can I do that's kind of ASMR-y? Oh, you want to type on the keyboard? Okay, I can do that. But anyway, yeah, you're gonna want to set this down a little bit lower, because otherwise you literally hear everything. But yeah, there you go, chat. Imagine exercising. Yeah. Are you doing an ASMR stream anytime soon? Well, you got it, Root. You got it right there. There's your ASMR stream. You're fucked if you fart. Yeah. I can hear the blood flowing through your veins. Yeah, it's kind of true. It's kind of true. Pouring hot tea on your face. Good to see you again. We need volume 100 tofu ASMR after. Tofu's good. Tofu barks. Tofu barks real loud. I don't think you want tofu bark at 100 volume. I think that'd be a lot. Eat with max volume. I don't know how that would work out. Michael Nabs, hello, hello. You need a microphone with the ears on them. What does that mean? Don't make an embarrassing noise right now. Yeah, exactly. Crack knuckles. Oh, I should have done that. Should have got you a few knuckle cracks in there. You know. Oh no, what is this, Jake Harry? Oh, this is so good. I fucking love that. That's so good. Cookie Monster, too many cookies, milk shots, depressed t-shirt. Yeah, precisely. I just got the blue ice. Someone in your Discord suggested, and it's great. Saved me a lot of effort with searching. Nice. Need more scratching. Hey, what's up, Milky? Hello, hello. Did you miss the ASMR, Milky? Miss Larry. Hello, hello. Can we stop, please? I may need to get new pillows after I just bought new ones. Oh no. Use that though. It's the Blue Yeti. Here it is. But yeah. That's the binge on shirt. Oh, I see. I see. And Amazon. Oh, Amazon bought Woot? What? I didn't know that. I remember when Woot was a big deal. Streaming every day now? No, it just happened to be that I'm streaming 3 days in a row. Welcome to 2010. Is that how long ago that happened? Shit. I remember Woot in high school. I guess that was back in 2010. Damn. But yeah, also, I set this in cardioid mode. Which, I don't know that that's the right mode now. I think so. Anyway. Yeah, that's the right mode, because I'm in front of the microphone. But yeah, don't set it to 100, or unless you want to do ASMR, and then it's fine. Also, just to check, am I in stereo? Because last time we fiddled with this, it set me to mono for weird reasons. So I just want to double check that I'm not just entirely in your left ear right now. Okay, we're in stereo? Okay, good. Cool. Also, for some reason, Windows, like, that bar changes itself on its own. I don't do it, it just does it. I haven't figured out which application does it. I think it's Skype, which I use Skype so infrequently that it wouldn't surprise me if it is, but something fucks with that little volume meter thingy thing.
Alright, we got our 3 green check marks here. I'm not gonna do our merge train, even though it really wants me to do it. Fuck you. Fuck you. Get bull, get branch, deactivate. Filters, get checkout pi3 plus. We can run the prune script again. And we can look at our notes, get rid of that. Rebase. Yes. Okay. Typing imports is the next one. When was type checking introduced? 3 typing. I think that was in 3.5. Type checking. Version 3.5.2, cool. So there's some shitty things in here. I think I updated these docs, so it should be, yeah, like look at this. New in version 3.5.4 and in 3.6.2. So be concerned about the typing module. But yeah, we can I think I can get all of the if false calls now. We can actually probably just keep both of those. If false from typing import type. Case. From typing import type checking. If type checking. Yes. These are circular imports. That's why this is all sorts of fucking. And this is again because of the object-oriented programming soup. Oops. Type checking. Oh, when was no return introduced? I think no return is actually 3.6.2. If I recall correctly, no return. 3.6.2. Why do I have this dumb shit in my brain? I don't know. I don't know. Type checking. Type checking. In case you missed pseudo munching on a friend's head pick in Dixord. I did miss that. Make sure this isn't W3 schools. Nom nom. Oh, that's great. That's great. Love it. Microsoft Teams? I don't know. It sounds like a Microsoft product. Implement our own audio adapter? Nah, we'll just head straight to the system value. Yeah. Yeah. What are you talking about, Novaglow? Oh, 3.6.2? Oh, I see. Yeah. Yes. Typing. For type checking. Type checking. Is that it? Is that really it? I feel like that was less than I thought it was going to have to be. That's just for cycles. That's just for cycles. That's for cycles. That's for no return. 3.6.2. Okay. Oh, it's a song. Oh, well. I'm not very good at that pop culture stuff.
Just, I'm not. Oh, I'm a dumbass, damn it. Oh no! Okay, we just deleted a line there. Let's try that again. Undefined? What is this, JavaScript? Why you gotta be undefined? Did I make this mistake twice? Damn. Wow. I mean, it doesn't surprise me if I make the same mistake several times. It was on Need for Speed Underground 2. Oh my god, I made this mistake so many times. Oh, I see what's happening. I just edited the wrong file. Flake8, formatting base. Okay, I might have only made the mistake once, but I was repeatedly fucking myself there. Soundtrack, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, that should be good. Good, we have flake8 typing imports in here to make sure we don't mess stuff up. Nick HP, hello. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you were doing well. Good, our chatbot's still working. And are we green? We are. Commit-m, clean up type, checking imports. Okay. Oh. Why you change? Oh, okay. See. Oh, type comments. Alright, we're gonna try this tool that I haven't used before. Com to N. Or is it with one M? It's with one M. How do you work? Well, we'll just pip install and see what happens, right? Pip install com to N. Okay, so it looks like it takes a single file at once. I hate these tools that have really shitty interfaces like this. It should take as many arguments as possible. Not just one. Wally's Lima, thank you for the subscription with Prime. Appreciate your support. Welcome to the stream. Novaglow says, do you have a VOD on saving VM states? I'm looking through your YouTube channel, can't find one. No, I mean, it depends on the VM system you're using. It's usually just make a save state. I don't use save states myself, although I'm on Snapshot 7, so apparently I'm a liar. I don't know why I'm on Snapshot 7. I must have been doing something risky, snapshotted. But yeah, I don't really do snapshots myself, but you can if you want. Alright, let's just run it and see what happens, I guess. Get ls files, python, grep-v, sample, xargs, to n. Alright, dash on 1 because the tool sucks. And does a bunch of shit. Then hopefully it made things better. I mean, most of these look fine. There's one where we turned off the formatter. Oh, I wanted to fix this line. How's that in? I guess I can do... Did flipped colon off? Yeah. Flipped off. Oh. Still gonna be slightly too many characters to fit on one line. We're gonna leave that. Yeah, we'll leave that one. This one we can fix though, because we no longer have a type comment here. Get rid of the fem tier. Nice. Cool. Basically telling Black to piss off. Oh, some of these are gonna be line too long. Shit. Well, we'll see what Black does to those. I assume the rest of these are fine. Let's run the test suite. It says file directory. Yeah. Oh, well, this is great. Name violation is undefined, right? Because it's forward annotations. Oh, damn. Okay, so we need flake8, details, and this because it's a circular reference. 373. We got the plugin here. Then, ugh. Really? There's no way that's the only one. There's no way that's the only one, because we saw one with violation. Well, we'll try it again. Figure out what error gets there. Misaligned terminals? Yeah, so what happens is the windows are a different height whether they have tabs or not, which is annoying. Flake8 statistics. I guess if I run the test, that'll just show me there in the right file. Violation needs to be string violation. Needs to be string. Statistic is not defined. Where do you come from? Are you just out of order here? Oh, I'm surprised MyPy isn't mad about this class, because it's a name table one. I think if I just move this class up, that actually will make that happy. Because it doesn't understand the forward annotation there. Well, actually, that's not a minimal change, so I'll do that. We'll quote the thing, because oh damn, there was one. Statistic, you need a quote. You need a quote. And you need a quote. Okay. P is not man, it's this fucking module. Is real mad. Hey, what's up, Shazrobot? Hello, hello. Alright, we're on to the next file. this as well. Oh, this is so annoying. Yeah, so normally you would be Python 3.7 plus, and then 3.7 plus you can use from future import annotations, and that makes this port a lot simpler. But since I'm going to support 3.6 for now at least, there's a little bit more annoying stuff that I have to do like this over and over and over. 474. Okay, I think we're getting closer to the end here. Nope, back into the wheat scan. Oh. Shaz Robot! Hello, hello. Can't you use said? Not really. Not necessarily. I could in some cases, but not in all of them. Because I wouldn't want to change that name everywhere. I need to have syntax. I need to be syntax aware. Okay. That should do that. Got basically 9 more months of 3.6. Yeah. Yeah. 3.6 had a good life. I think 3.6 will actually last a lot longer than that, because there's not that much incentive to upgrade. Those should all get fixed by black if I rerun this, I think. Actually, it would have fixed them already, so it must have failed on something before then. I wonder if we run the linter before the formatter. Oh yeah, we run the linter before the formatter. Why do we do that? Sucks. Well, I will... How am I gonna do this? Is there a black in here? Wait, why do I not... Oh, because I moved it to pre-commit. Yes. Exactly. Security support ends December 2021. Oh, I guess maybe that'll be a better incentive to get off of it. God, I can't believe it's almost fucking April already. And these are all fine. Whatever. I would have guessed it was in PyProject. Why would it be in PyProject Atomic? It would have either been in talks.ini or pre-commit. Those are basically the only choices where it would have been run from. Too complex? What the fuck? Why did the complexity of this change? What? How the fuck? Oh, the comment moved. Oh. I see. Fuck you, Black. I was gonna say. I was gonna say. Can't wait to see Python 4. Python 4 is gonna break so much shit. Just from the version number. Do you get stressed when you do interviews? Not anymore. I've done 1,000 of them. They're not really a big deal for me anymore. Okay, so this should be green this time. Hopefully. Yes, there we go. Git commit dash m com to n. Does somebody own com with 2 m's on PyPI? Because I type it that all the time. And would totally own myself. Yeah, if you guys wanna
guys want to wreck me, that would be the way. Oh no. Oh no, by changing the types, MyPy has realized that we are fucking with it. Oh, I gotta fix some latent it bugs. Oh no. Namespace. Oh, I think I can just do this. Maybe? I think we can convince MyPy of that. I don't know if that's gonna break your runtime though. Why is this optional stir? Oh, I see, because it's the base class. Let's check the actual test suite first. Sad that my project. I saw what you were trying to do there, Summersoft. I understand. I get you. And the interview is the interviewer. It's true. It's true. Yeah, I basically decide whether I want to work at a place based on the interview. Yeah. I'm not. I wouldn't say I'm particularly good at it. But I do that. Alright, come to Anne. Audit all the format calls. We're actually getting pretty close to being done here. How did that delete more lines than it added? That seems weird to me. Oh, I guess because it deleted type signatures on their own line and inline them. I guess that makes sense. Okay, so we're just looking at all the format calls to see if we can do any other manual improvements here. Oh, I've dashy. Count error code statistic thought message. I don't know what this is, but we find ourselves having a splitted call. Oh yeah, this is style discussion. Oh, but this is no longer multiple lines. Also, this is ugly. I don't know where I cut this. Leave this one alone. We're gonna leave that one alone as well. Yes. Okay, so this is the one that I manually changed earlier. Oh wait, no, this is a different one. Type e.name and e. Nice little inlining there. This is the one that I changed earlier. Type e.name e.args 0. Nice. Exception.class. Just gonna write this type exception. Name. Ugh. Is that gonna fit in the character element? I hope so. Oh no, it's not, because I fucked it. Oh. How does this get called? Does this get called with... Oh, it gets called explicitly. That's annoying. Oh well, we'll see what black does to that line. What made you want to work at Stripe? Seemed like a cool opportunity to work on Python infrastructure, stuff that I'm really good at you know, a decently sized but growing company. That was
some of my... Oh, there's a function called format here. Well, that's really annoying. Oh, hey, here's the one that we saw in the docs earlier. Nice. This one's a little bit tricky. Join parts. I'm pretty sure I wrote that line of code. This one I'm gonna leave as multiple lines because I don't think it will fit nicely. And we'll probably leave this one too. And we'll leave that one too. That one's complicated enough, we'll leave it as well. We can do this one though. We'll leave that one. That is not related. Oh man, some of the code in the test is ugly. Let's see if that. Rename all the variables to one letter. Yeah, I don't think I can do that. Bubblesnot says you're at Stripe now. My at is Stripe now? Yes, I am at Stripe. I thought I closed my VM, but just had an energy drink blocking the little icon on the taskbar. That's funny. Git commit -m audit dot format calls. Of course, black is an opinion. What did it do? Oh, I see. I guess we can audit percent format calls as well. There's not many of them. Config finder.program name. Plugin bang R. Uh-oh. I don't know why it logs and it raises. That's kind of weird. Ink-exc. What is ink-exc? I think it's a string. We will repar it. Oh god. This is some fuckery. I feel like this function gets called a fuck ton and might not be the fastest. But, yeah. Alright, let's run this, see how that goes. Then we might be done for now. Why does Git Python get installed? What dependency possibly brings in Git Python? I don't even know what it could possibly be. Twine maybe? Twine in here? Is, but that's only in the release environment. Which environment was that? Linters. There's all sorts of weird stuff in here. Like image sizes in here. Well, we can find out where it comes from. What are those strings not cause f-string is missing format? Because strings are joined across lines. So they are all one literal, despite being on multiple lines. And I like when they line up, so I put it on all the lines. Pip install requirements tools. Stupid. They broke this. I wrote this thing for Yelp and they fucking broke it today. It's like slightly broken for a thing that I use it for. It's really annoying. With the test requirements. Oh, we gotta combine all these things in together? I bet it's readme renderer. Just guessing. Nope. But that's where bleach comes from. Let's try bandit. Yep, that's where it comes from. Also, Steve Dorr. Why the fuck does bandit use Git Python? What does it possibly need there? CQA. What did I type? Oh, the baseline thing. Can it be replaced with subprocess? Okay, it's patch 2 before I start reading the code. God, it does way more shit than I would want to do. Okay, never mind, we're not gonna do this. Never mind. Audit percent format calls. Is it also fine to not add the F to every line? Yes, you only need it on the lines that have formats. Summersoft says. I mean, we might as well audit the string pluses as well. Oh god, there's a lot of them. There's one down here too as well. Why do we have a per second? Who fucking cares? That's a weird looking regular expression. Regular expression, there's another one, chat. what did I just do? There we go. We're gonna leave that one, even though I'd rather fix it. I would like at some point for Pi Upgrade to do these automatically. It has enough smarts. It's just a lot of work to make it work, though. Antonio Jr., thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. This is a weird one, I guess. We're gonna leave that one alone. We're gonna leave that one alone. Oh, I bet I can use text wrap.indent. When did that get introduced? That's not what I want. 3-3. Don't you sparkle cake sparkle me. Don't you do that to me. D-Del says, the clock has struck 10 for me. Time to get the pup around his kennel and in bed. Have a good night. Well, thank you for stopping by, D-Dels. This all seems like tedious work. Yeah, it is, Cody. It is indeed. Those regular expressions have me at my breaker point. I'm gonna have to get some French food, like some Jason. That's true, that's true. And hello again, Antonio. Okay, that was not what we're actually searching for, though. This code looks ugly. See what the tests have to say. Ah, no. We made a mistake. Oh. Indent is missing one positional argument prefix. Does it not just default to 4 spaces? Damn. I guess not. Fortunately, I have a test that covers that case, which is cool. And he has a syntax error somewhere. Flake8 utils. That's this file. Oh, these have to be single quotes. Dumb. Fucked that one up. Fucked that one up. Is it still broken? Why are there so many new lines there? Oh, and then the test has all this garbage logging output. That's why I hate logging. Because it has an extra new line in there. I think it's actually valued on strip. Is that what it was before? Yeah, strip. Okay. Whoops. Red blocks of text are scary? Yeah, Godwoe, it's true, it's true. But we should be green this time. Should be green this time.
print-shm audit plus string joining. Then I guess we can read the code one last time. We'll just read everything in source, yeah? Kind of scroll through things and see if we see anything. Seem to remember this being a Python 2 hack. Wrong here? Oh no, this is a Python 2.7 hack. Yeah, there used to not be a null handler. That used to be, that was Python 2.6, I'm misremembering. We already looked at some of these modules, so a little quicker through some of these. Just trying to see if I remember any particular things. I guess I could audit getter calls, those are often version specific. Or I could look at coverage, see if there's anything not covered that I expect. It'll be nice to get rid of option parse at some point. Oh, I can do that in this release. Because I think that landed early in 3.7? 3.8? One of those versions of flake8? Probably 3.8. Yeah, so I can get rid of op parse now as well. Decide what to do about show pep8. Yeah, we silently got rid of that option. Oh, look at this. Oh man. PyUpgrade did that. That's pretty nice. Although I'm getting rid of the setup tools stuff, so yeah. Should have done that before this. Although, I guess we can still do it and then re-raise. Yeah, let's get rid of the setup tools stuff as well. But when did I... Well, fuck it, it's a major version. Do what I want, cause the major version. Okay, I'm done looking at these files. Let's remove setup tools command. Get RM those. Via setup tools. Oh. I meant to delete this in the last patch, but I guess I missed it. Shit. Whoops, well, my bad. I looked up how to delete a file on Linux and saw you can just grep for some of the text from it on dev.st. Don't do that. Inspire says, could you add the red escape to PS1 so everything would be red? You can. You can. If you fuck up your PS1. Like this. Oh, that's not red. 92s? No, it's green. There we go. Hold on. Why is it kind of fucked up, but also not? Oh god. What the fuck did I do?
Oh, I know. Forgot to put... It's gonna look fucked, but it's fine now. No? Oh, I know why. Hold on, let's make a new tab. This is supposed to have a thing here. There we go. Now it should be unfucked. Let's make it the bright red. And then yes, now all your text is red. So yes, you could do that if you really wanted it to. I don't know why you would want to do it, but you can. Unfucked, fuck it again. Yeah. Yep, non-documented. That should be grab dash V. Shit. Sword dash U. Hello? 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 Oh, I see what I did. I had opened Nano. The Malakala! Thank you for resubscribing with Prime 3 months in a row and 3 total. Appreciate our continued support. And you get a fancy new badge. The Malakala. It's good to see you again. Oh my god, Marsha, you're in the top 30 already. You're zooming to that top 10. Holy shit. Oh my goodness. Man gets so hard the computer freezes. Yeah, it opened my text editor without a TTY. That's what happened there. So it piped Nano into this. What I meant to do is this. But I fucked up. I fucked up. Okay, cool. Git command dash m remove flake8 setup tools command. 13th, nice. And 69 as well. The rare endless river bonk. Me Malakla getting in on the bonk as well. Oh, Cutter, you just missed it, buddy. You just missed it. Get branch. Push. Ace till ahead. Oh man, this has been a long stream for a Monday stream. We're almost to the part where I'm gonna call this good enough though. But not quite. We're not quite there yet, chat. Change is 0. I forgot to commit. Where did I push? Did I push the wrong remote? No? Fuck you, GitLab.
Why does this say 0? What the fuck? Why is GitLab so shitty? How long have I watched you? Coder, you can do, well, I don't know if you can do follow age because you changed your name. Because that only says you've been following for 26 days. You might be able to use your old account name, although I think you deleted your accounts, maybe not. -C specifies the file system that should be open in catastrophic mode. Oh my god. GitLab only supports writing code, not deleting it. Yeah. Stupid GitLab. I like how this decreased coverage. Because I deleted covered code. Oh, but it increased coverage. Why you got all these red spots? Stupid CodeCov. And CodeCov, I don't like CodeCov either. Yeah, plus 69. Nice. Nice. Oh, I gotta find the issue that this references. Flake8. Post. Oh, I don't even know how I'm gonna find this. Because it's so common. Oh, 544. Exactly. Perfect. How do I edit this? Deletion of 544, 444. Oh, did I get the number wrong? Why is it not tabulating? It is 544. Silly GitLab. Why it's not helping me out there. Oh no! Ruined! Ruined, chat! Ruined! No longer 69. Stupid. Stupid code code. Had one shot to be 0.69, but then changed it to 0.71. GitHub greater than everything else? I mean, GitHub has its problems too, but at least it's not GitLab. I don't know, I'm just spicy about GitLab tonight. I don't deal with it very often, but I'm just... They seem to have broken the only good thing that I liked. And their UI is cluttered and obnoxious and doesn't work when you zoom in and is really bad on mobile, and I don't know. I feel like they don't hire any designers and stuff like that. What are you doing, build? Pretty sure the build is just like run stdist, so I don't know why this is taking so long. Okay, good. I'm not gonna run a train, even though it wants me to run a train. It makes this big scary dialogue. No, fuck you, I'm merging. Let me merge. And then we get to play the rebase game again. Play 3+. Oh my god, there's a bug on my desk. Fuck off, bug. Why are you bug? I should have just killed it. Oh, well. Oh no, I have a file named git. Oh, that was because this was this was when I opened my when I ran the wrong shell command, and the command was in the background. This is yeah. Have you ever accidentally eaten a bug? Everyone's eaten a bug. You can't avoid it. It's unavoidable. Okay, we're gonna have to delete this a few times. Continue. 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 I need to finish this at some point too. All right, that might wrap us up with our Python 2, Python 3 shenanigans. What? Why did I get bonked to the endless server? What did I get bonked for? What did I do? What did Steve Dorr do? Alright, let's look at the damage. Get diff, origin, master, stat, tail, this one. Somehow I felt like it was way more work than that. I feel like we did a lot more than just 1300 lines delta. But, I don't know. Guess that's the way things go. Colorado Max, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. But yeah. I guess we'll push this up and get this merged. Well, I'll create the pull request. Draft legacy Python versions. And we do have an issue for this one. Oh, but GitLab is shitty and doesn't show me the right project. 690. Yeah. I like this says changes 0 again. Now it's a 65. Oh, well, GitLab's buggy. What can I say? But anyway, I'm gonna leave that. I'm not gonna read it right now because that was a lot of work. But anyway, that's gonna wrap up our stream for today. A lot of work to drop Python 2 in flake8, as well as dropping the other deprecated things as well. Figured I'd kill them all at once, so that was good. But yeah, my name is Anthony. You can check out my previous content on YouTube, and that's youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode, where you can see previous streams as well as educational videos uploaded once a day. Today's was about the mouse stuff that we did in curses. I decided to record a video about it, so check that out. I normally stream Mondays and Saturdays at Mondays it's evening, Saturdays it'll be noon Pacific. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where basically I'll say, I'm going to be streaming in such amount of time, and then we stream in such amount of time. I also announce it on the Discord, so please join the Discord. So what's all the call to actions? Follow on Twitch, subscribe on YouTube, follow on Twitter, join the Discord. Yeah, all those things. But anyway, thank you all for stopping by. Let's go find someone to raid.